MVP and MCP. They look almost the same, right? But one is used by startups and other is changing how AI works. If you are learning software development, startups or AI, you have probably heard these two terms, MVP and MCP. They are trending everywhere, but they are often confused. So today let's understand both with simple examples. So let's start with MVP first. Imagine you have $1 million app idea. Should you spend months building every feature or launch something small first? That's exactly where MVP comes in. And later, I will show you what MCP is and why everyone in AI is talking about it. So, what exactly is MVP? It stands for minimum viable product. Like it's the simplest version of your product that solves one real problem for users. Like the idea isn't to build a perfect product. The idea is to launch quickly and see how real users respond. Like collect feedback and improve it a step by a step. I'm explaining you through this Uber example. Imagine you are building the next Uber app. So most people think they need to build everything like payments, ratings, offers, notifications, live tracking and customer support and then launch. But that's not the smartest approach. It will take a long time or months to build and it also costs more and there are risk of building like what users don't even want. So once real users start using your app, they will tell you what's missing and further on, while giving real user feedback, that's when you add new features one by one, like payments, tracking, and then notification, so that and everything else, so that this saves both your time and money because you are building based on real user feedback, not using assumptions. And that's enough to test whether people actually want your product or not. Now let's talk about MCP because this one is related to AI and it stands for Model Context Protocol. Like think of it as a USB-C port for AI. Just like one USB-C cable connects many different devices, MCP gives AI one standard way to connect with tools like GitHub, Slack, Google Drive, and databases. You can relate with real life example as I have given right now, like USB-C port. Now imagine hiring an assistant. Without MCP, you teach them separately, like how to use Gmail, how to use Slack, use Excel, and use GitHub. Since every company has different instructions, but with MCP, everyone agrees on one standard way to describe tools and data. So the assistant learns that standard ones and can work with many compatible systems. So if you are interested in building AI products, so these concepts often come together. Like you might build an MVP of an AI application that uses MCP to connect the model to tools like GitHub, databases or file system because these allow you to ship faster with fewer custom integrations. So conclusion is MVP is a business and product strategy which used to build the smallest useful version of a product, then launch it, learn from users and then iterate. Same time, MCP is other technical protocol for AI. It provides a standardized way for AI models to discover and use external tools such as GitHub, Slack, Google Drive and databases and all and services like file systems without requiring custom integrations for each one. So you can remember this using simple line like MVP helps you build products faster and MCP helps AI use tools smarter. So I can say that's the easiest way to remember the difference. I hope this made these concepts much easier to understand. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who is learning AI or software development. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!